Hello everyone. The lockdown is almost coming to an end, and hopefully we'll be winning our battle against Corona. And as faculties of institutions, we all hope that we'll be getting back to normal life with the institutions expected to open in the month of August. So during this lockdown period, if you have noticed, since the workload on the faculties was less as far as the handling of classes was concerned, many of the institutions were asking them to get prepared and start preparing the files for the NAC and NBA related accreditation processes. So in this context, what we would have noticed is in many of the institutions that are preparing for NAC, there will always be a NAC coordinator, and then there will be other department coordinators under that person, and they will be allocating the work to the other staffs. So when this allocation of work is being done, the higher ups who are sitting there, they issue out orders saying, come on, prepare the file for this, prepare the data for this criteria, prepare the file for that criteria, give me the data for this, give me the data for that, everything they will be saying. And this work will be passed on from the coordinator to the HOD and then down, who is putting a lot of hard work and preparing the files. Most of the time when he submits the files after a lot of hard work in preparing that file, the file will get summarily rejected, saying that it is not as per the expectations, it is not as per norms, and all such. These reasons are being given because the person who has prepared the file was not aware of what is expected of him or her. So in this case, what I thought was, we have to give a hands-on training to all the faculties so that once the faculty knows how to prepare a file for a particular criteria, for a particular key indicator, then it will be easy for them to prepare the documents. So in this connection, I will be handling a seminar on NAC assessment and accreditation process and procedure, a step-by-step guide. So in this seminar, I will be telling about the 7 criteria, how to prepare the files for them, how to prepare the SSR self-study report, how to address the key indicators, the qualitative and the quantitative metrics, and also about the data validation and verification SOP, that is the standard operating procedure, and how to prepare the documents for supporting these data validation and verification. So it will be a hands-on approach and would be very useful for the faculties of all the institutions who are planning to go for the NAC, whether it be first cycle, second cycle or third cycle. So this seminar is going to be held on coming Sunday, 12th of July, from morning 9 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock in 4 sessions. And there will also be a question and answer session at the end of the program. And in this session, I'll be answering all your practical doubts which you would have encountered while preparing the documents for your accreditation process. So don't forget, coming Sunday, 12th of July, morning 9:30, let us meet in the NAC workshop. See you all. Stay indoors, stay safe. Thank you.